Doors are more than just functional pieces of a house. They are a reflection of your personal style and play a crucial role in the aesthetic and functionality of your home. In Gilbert, Arizona, where architectural styles range from modern to southwestern, choosing the right door style can significantly enhance your home's appeal and value. Here's your ultimate guide to finding the perfect door style for your Gilbert home. Understand your home's architectural style. The first step in choosing the right door style is to align it with your home's architectural design. Gilbert homes often feature a mix of styles, including Mediterranean, Contemporary, Ranch, and Spanish Revival. Here's how to match door styles with architecture. Modern homes. Opt for sleek, minimalist doors with clean lines, large glass panels, and metal accents. These doors often feature neutral colors like black, gray, or white. Mediterranean or Spanish Revival. Choose ornate doors with decorative ironwork, arched tops, or natural wood finishes that emphasize warmth and elegance. Ranch or Southwestern homes. Rustic wood doors with earthy tones, textured finishes, and even carved designs can complement the laid-back charm of these styles. Matching your door to your home's architecture creates a cohesive look that enhances curb appeal. Prioritize functionality. Doors serve different purposes depending on their placement in your home. Understanding the function of each door can help you choose a design that meets your needs. Entry doors. The main entry door is the focal point of your home. It should be sturdy, secure, and inviting. Materials like steel, fiberglass, or solid wood are excellent for front doors due to their durability. Patio doors. Sliding glass doors or French doors are popular choices for patio access, offering expansive views and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. Interior doors. These are more about style and privacy. Panel doors, barn doors, or flush doors work well inside the home. For Gilbert's climate, consider weather-resistant materials for exterior doors to withstand the intense heat and occasional monsoon rains. Choose the right material. The material of your door significantly impacts its durability, appearance, and maintenance requirements. Here are the top choices for door materials. Wood. Classic and versatile, wood doors are available in a variety of finishes and styles. However, they may require regular maintenance in Gilbert's dry, sunny climate. Fiberglass. Fiberglass doors mimic the look of wood but are more resistant to weather changes. They are an excellent option for durability and energy efficiency. Steel. Known for their strength and security, steel doors are ideal for front entryways. They are also energy efficient and low maintenance. Glass. Common for patio and modern style doors, glass provides a sleek, open feel. Consider double pane or energy efficient glass to manage indoor temperatures. Consider energy efficiency. Gilbert's warm climate makes energy efficiency a critical factor. Look for doors with high insulation ratings and energy-efficient glass to minimize heat transfer. Energy Star rated doors are designed to keep your home cool while reducing energy costs. Personalize your door with design features. Customizing your door with design elements can elevate its visual impact. Colors. Bold hues like teal, red, or yellow can make a statement, while neutral tones like black, brown, or white offer timeless appeal. Hardware. Choose handles, knockers, and hinges that complement your door's style. Bronze or iron hardware works well for traditional homes, while brushed nickel or chrome suits modern designs. Glass inserts. Decorative glass panels can add sophistication and natural light. Frosted or textured glass provides privacy without sacrificing brightness. Work with a trusted professional. Installing the right door is as important as choosing it. A professional installer in Gilbert can ensure a perfect fit and advise on local trends, materials, and climate considerations. Set a budget. Finally, consider your budget. High-quality doors are an investment, but with the right choice, they can improve energy efficiency, security, and resale value. Prioritize quality over short-term savings for long-lasting benefits. Conclusion. Choosing the perfect door for your Gilbert home requires balancing style, functionality, and material. By considering your home's architecture, climate, and personal preferences, you can find a door that not only enhances your home's look but also improves its comfort and value. Take the time to explore your options, and don't hesitate to consult local experts to make the best choice. The right door can be the gateway to a more beautiful and functional home. Let yours make the perfect first impression.